Good afternoon. Christine Regan Lake here. Welcome back. So today I would like to talk to you about the idea that someone is using you. So people can get really caught up in stories about how someone is using them for sex or using them for money or, just using them in terms of a friendship, taking advantage of, your graciousness, how kind you are to them, taking. Here's the thing that we all have to look in the mirror and acknowledge. No one can use you without your permission. Someone can't use you for sex if you refuse to take off your clothes. So, sometimes, we can get into situations with people and, our ego wants to get our nose out of joint. But the reality is that you can't be used unless you allow yourself to be. And if you're allowing yourself to be used, either for sex or for money or for whatever, there's lots of ways people can use you or take advantage of you, right? They can't do that unless you allow it, unless you actually give it permission and you engage in the activity of allowing it to move forward and to be taken advantage of financially, sexually, whatever. If you are someone, potentially a woman who's in a connection with someone, it's kind of like a friends with benefits or a situationship where it's kind of undefined and, they really are pretty clear that there's no commitment, there's nothing going on, and you have feelings and you want more, and yet you're continuing to have sex with someone who is, just making it clear it's not going anywhere. Well, then who do you have to blame but yourself? Because you are the only one who takes off your clothes. Or if you're, say, a man and you're, dating somebody and that person seems to always be kind of leaning on you for money, is kind of, you're always the one paying for everything and you feel that you're being financially taken care of, you're financially being taken advantage of. Well, what inside of you needs to heal to be able to say, I'm not paying for this, or, we got to talk about the money situation because this isn't working for you. If in any way, shape, or form you are allowing someone to take advantage of you emotionally, physically, sexually, financially, whatever, what inside of you needs to be healed? What beliefs and what wounds need to be healed so that you finally say, I don't engage in those kind of scenarios anymore. I don't have sex with someone where I'm not in a committed relationship. I'm not going to carry you financially because you feel indebted to somebody, or that you have to do it, or that you won't be liked or loved if you don't pay for the bill all the time and things like that. We as individuals have to own every part of our life, and no one can take advantage of us without us participating actively in it happening. So I would like for you to think about this. If this, the title brought you here and it resonated with you, that somehow you feel like, you're being used or taken advantage of. When did that first happen? When do you first remember feeling or seeing, maybe it was in your childhood, you saw your parents, your mom or your dad modeled for you the fact that, people take advantage of them, or, and they allowed it to happen and things like that. Where did that come from? Where did that seed belief come from? Where did you learn how to model it? What wound do you have to heal? What needs to change in your life for you to no longer continue to allow yourself to be taken advantage of in any way, shape, or form? So I hope you found value in that. Have a beautiful day, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.